Hi guys, it's 25th. Today I'm gonna read the Apigay, ang salitang ugot. Ugat. Sumakay.
Sumakay. Salitang ugat. Root word.
Makay.
Sakay.
Sakay.
Go, sakay. Root word.
Magsabi. Sabihin. Magsabi.
What? What's answer? Magsabi.
Salita.
Salita. That's different. Magsabi. Oh, what's the root word? What's the root word? Go, what? Magsabi, root word, just like that. Sumakay, sakay. Magsabi. Oh, what?
Sabi.
Oh, sabi.
Matuwa.
Oh, matuwa. Oh, what's that?
Matuwa. What is that?
Matuwa.
Tuwa.
Oh, tuwa. To be happy, matuwa.
Mabigla. Bigla.
Oh, you got it. Root word, bigla, be shocked.
Tapasin. Pasin.
Huh?
Pasin. No. Tapusin.
Tapusin.
Minubuti.
Tapusin. Done. What is done? In Tagalog?
Tapos
No.
na.
Tapos.
Tapos.
Tapusin. Tapos. Oh. Oh.
Iligtas. What is that?
What's the root word? Iligtas. Oh. Iligtas. What's the root word?
Iligta.
No. Root word. Iligtas.
Iligtas.
What is iligtas? What is iligtas?
I don't know.
To be safe. Oh. Iligtas. What's the root word?
Iligtas.
Oh. What's the root word?
Tas.
Lig.
Ligtas.
Oh.
Without another I. Magulat. Gulat.
So easy. What is magulat?
I don't know.
Tala, you're just making it Q. It's not Q. That's not Q.
Bilisan. Bilis. Tandaan.
Tandaan.
Tandaan. Tanda. Tumigil. Migil. Ano? Is it?
What is tumigil?
Don't know.
What is tumigil?
Listen.
Stop. Oh, what is the answer? Tumigil. Where is the root word?
Tumigil. That's
Tumigil. What?
tumigil.
Tumigil. Tigil.
Tigil.